What's up, guys? I'm Kevin on 2, and today I am here with Ryan from Marketing Mongers, and we are here with his 2016 BMW S1000RR, and we're going to be doing an oil change on it, and I'll let him explain the basic process of what we're going to be doing to the bike.
Alright guys, before we get started, before doing any major service, always consult your owner's manual. So today we're gonna change the oil in my 2016 BMW S1000RR. Fairly simple. All we're gonna do is drop the belly pan right down here. It's probably like 5 or 6 bolts. From there, we're gonna take the oil filter. We're gonna drop the oil fucking plug. There we go. And then we're gonna take the oil filter off. Pretty basic. You really don't need any special tools. You probably want to utilize some stands. I know a lot of people like to not take off the belly pan, but I'm going to. I just don't want it to be dirty, anything like that. This particular bike uses 3.7 quarts. Again, always check your owner's manual to make sure. I double checked it, that's what it uses. Today we're going to be using the standard BMW Motorrad 5W40 weight oil with a stock BMW filter. Alright, so now you're going to take off the 5 bolts on the left side. There is one here, one here, one here, one here, and one down here with a kickstand. So once you're done with that, take these off, repeat the process on the other side. Alright guys, in order to remove the oil bolt, you're going to need a T50 Torx head. Oh yeah. There it goes. Oh yeah. Lots of love. Alright, and we're gonna let this motherfucker drain for quite a while, because I have OCD, and I like to let my shit drain. Alright guys, so I did my 600-mile service, which means BMW changes your oil and checks over the bike. Apparently they hired fucking Hercules to install the oil filter, so we had to jam a fucking screwdriver through it twice in order to get it off. So we're gonna pull it off now. Come on, you dirty little girl. There we go. Alright. Alright, kids. Now remember, 3.7 quarts of BMW Motorrad 5 or 10 40 weight oil. Oh, sorry. That's the wrong one. gonna install the belly pan or belly fairing. Get it started up and we'll be good to go.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video on how to do an oil change on a 2015-2016 BMW S1000RR. Quick recap, step one, you're going to want to put the bike up on stands. It makes it a hell of a lot easier. There's more clearance in the bottom so you're not scraping the fairing. You're not trying to wiggle tools in there. Step two, go ahead and remove the drain plug, drain your oil. Drain into a catch can, please. Don't ruin the environment and just dump it everywhere. Step three, you're going to want to replace that filter. Never reuse a filter. That is just bad practice, especially on a sport bike. Step four, go ahead, put that oil drain plug back in. 5, fill it up with oil. 3.7 quarts.
3.7 quarts, yeah.
3.7 quarts. Put your drain cap or your fill cap back on, obviously.
Always remember your owner's manual.
Always remember, if you
Don't take our
have
word for it.
questions, don't Google it, because we got a lot of misinformation Googling. The bike came with an owner's manual. Use the owner's manual. If you do not have one, contact BMW or your local dealership. They will be able to get you one, guaranteed. Put the fairings back on. Put the bike back down so stands. Start it up. Do not rev it right away. Let it kind of warm up, circulate the oil, build pressure, let it get to operating temperature, and then you can take it out, give it a little test ride. Afterwards, I would recommend checking the sight glass. Make sure your oil level is proper. There's not too much or not enough in there, and adjust accordingly. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, go get your daily dose of freedom. You guys have a good one. Ride safe.